Welcome to EC Software. In your regular business, you are purchasing items, selling items, and have stock in your hand. To view stock ledger in this software, go to Stock menu, click Full Stock Ledger, or press Ctrl Shift S from main screen. Now click this Full Stock Ledger. This is Stock Ledger window. In this window, you can see from date to date, stock filtering option, stock view option, and view button. Now we see full stock ledger with all item, all stock with full financial year date. Click view button. Now you see stock loading one by one. In this list, you see item code, item name, unit, opening stock, and inward quantity. Between these dates, inward quantity, and between these dates, outward quantity, closing stock, and closing stock value, tax rate, group, and manufacturer. Now scroll this list. In last row, you see total inward quantity, total outward quantity, total closing stock, and total stock value. Okay. To view particular item history, from this window, select any one item, press enter key. This is 2020 cookies cashew butter 50 gram item tracking list. Tracking means it's full history, it's purchase details, selling details, inward and outward full details. By date wise, you can see all details. Its date, bill number, party name, inward quantity, outward quantity, balance quantity, its billing type, purchase or selling price, bill number, here purchase detail, this is sales detail. You can see full list, particular item, full history. From this list, if you select any one row and press enter, you can see the entry screen for that row. So you can modify any items from this selection. You can export this list to Excel by click export Excel. Here you see export Excel. This is Excel tracking of a particular item in Excel format. Close this. Now you close this item tracking window. This way you can see any one item's full history. Now see some other options. To view particular item stock ledger, use click item name, select a particular item, and click view button. So you can see single items only by this option. To view group wise option, select a particular item code from group name. You want to see biscuits stock only, select group name biscuit, click view button. Now you see biscuits only stocks ledger. To view manufacturer wise stock, select a particular, select manufacturer. For example, gold winner, select gold winner and press view button. This is manufacturer gold winner stock only. In this window you can see print and export Excel button. To print this list to dot matrix through dot matrix printer, click print button. Now you see dot matrix format. Click print button to print in dot matrix printer, or you want to save this list by text file, you click save button. To exit, close, click close. In this window also you can see export Excel. Click export Excel. Now you see Excel format is ready for this list. So in this list you can take printout or modify items, anything. Also you can see all stock, zero stock, and transaction stock also. All stock means full stock. No zero stock means only if you have any stock, that items only will show in this list. Transaction stock means any inward or outward happen between these days, that items only you can see in stock ledger. This is stock ledger in EC software. Thank you.